What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. So I'm just leaving the gym, and I was looking at the market today because the pre-market yesterday and early today, I just knew the market would be terrible and red today because primarily because Tesla missed their numbers, which I expected because last earnings, they missed their numbers, but they just finessed their earnings report by using cryptocurrency to make their numbers look better than what it is. Didn't do it this time, so they missed their numbers, delivery expectations, and all that stuff, right? So they was predicted to go down, 6-7% today. So they started off down to like $202, close to $200 a share. Market start low, shaky. Next thing I see is the Dow up 300 points. Houseway. Market doing up. So look at that. Tesla's going up. A few other companies going up. Google, Roblox, bunch of stuff going up. Then by the time I get finished my workout, the Dow is up only 100 points. So we might finish the day back in the red. The problem we have here is we have so many YouTubers. We have so many TV outlets. We have so many experts that give advice on the market. So every day it's either the world is falling, everything is crashing, hide your kids, hide your wives, or Crow or so-and-so going to the moon. It's not about to happen right now. It's going to happen next week. Okay, it didn't happen this week because it's about to happen the next week. So it's so much mixed information. I'm just here to tell y'all, nobody, especially with this market, nobody know what the hell is going on. Nobody. I'm more of a, let's go to history. Let's look at what happened before, compare that, and the odds are this should happen because of history, mixed with a little bit of my opinion. That's how I usually go, because you'll be right more times than you're not when you do that. And you do some bold predictions where they could be wrong or right. Man, nobody know what the hell is going on. So the best way to invest with this market is literally make sure you are in the game. You want to be in the game. Just let's think worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, in my opinion, is that the market is going to keep on going down slowly for the next 2 years. Worst case scenario. I don't want you guys to time it and try to time it and be like, okay, man, even though it can keep on going down, Orlando, it's better to buy Tesla at $100 versus $200. Come on, dude. Stop being so damn scary. People see a cop and just get terrified. What I was saying. I was talking about Tesla. So, when I did the video yesterday talking about Warren Buffett just bought a company for $11 billion during a recession, during a downtrend, and the company is doing great. He didn't buy it at the perfect time. He only care about good quality companies that he know will keep on going up long term. All you're doing right now is focusing on good quality companies that you know will be here 10 years from now. So it don't matter if you buy Tesla at $200, $100, $170. It really don't matter. Different companies that you look at, that you do the evaluation, that you believe that's going to keep on growing, you keep on putting money in and putting yourself in a position. If not, you got to look at it. What's your other options? Your other options are stay doing what you're already been doing, and that haven't got you rich, that haven't got you wealthy, that haven't got you successful. So that's not working, number one. Number two is put your money in a savings account. Now, for the last year, that honestly is not a bad option, because money sitting, earning small interest, has done better than losing 20-30% of your money in the market. So, hey, that's the risk you take. That's why, and option three is what I like. It's a mixture. Somebody wrote in my comments like, look, Lando, I just sold my house. If you're watching this, I answer it for you. He's like, Lando, let me get some water. Hold on. Been talking for a second. Listen to the music as I drink this water. He's like, Lando, I just sold my house for $100,000. Well, I sold my house and he have $100,000 profit. What should I do with it? Should I all put it in Robinhood gold account where you get 3% on your interest? I told them, hell no. Take $10,000 of it and park right there. Even though I'm invested in Robinhood now, they've been making good moves. I wouldn't put all my money in there because if shit go to hell, your money mess up. And you know, you got an FDIC insured and all that stuff. I still wouldn't do it. So I will put $10,000 into Robinhood. I will put $50,000 in your bank account, wherever it's Bank America, wherever it's Credit Union, Chase, wherever you bank at. Change your account to one of those preferred premium members. If you keep over $20,000 in it for over 3 months, they will give you cash back on your car. You get perks. So just keep $20,000 in it. That's your spending money right there. You got $50,000. All right, so we got $40,000 left, right? What I would do is take $20,000 and slowly dollar cost average into the market. Strong companies, you can do ETFs, mainly all the boring companies, right? Another $20,000 I will put into cryptocurrency the exact same way. Strong companies, powerful companies that's not going anywhere. And I will completely keep on grinding, keep on working, and start focusing on a business and other ways to be able to bring more money in. That's what you really want to do in a market like this during a recession. You want to have cash on the side to be able to take advantage of opportunities, because somebody might say, hey, so-and-so, if you match me $15,000, we can buy this home that's foreclosed right here. And after putting in work until we're about to flip it for $100,000, we'll be able to walk away with $50,000 each type of deal, or $20,000, whatever it is. You can't do that if you don't have that money accessible. So keep money to the side. You want to be in the market, and you want to have ways to be able to hustle, to be able to go out and grind and make money. That's what I'm about to do. I got up in the morning, did some YouTubes. I just went to the gym, took care of my health. About to eat, go home, do more YouTubes. Then I'm about to go out, go hustle, make some money. Then I'll probably have me a cigar or go play me some cornhole. Balance, life balance, because I don't have no kid or no wife today, so I can do all of that. And I'm still behind because I wanted to go to the gym at 6, 7 in the morning. It's 12:30 now. So you want to have that balance and all of that stuff. But overall, I'm saying this video to say nobody knows what's going to happen. That's a nice RV. To the market. You just got to be in the game to see what happens. Worst case scenario, you're going to lose some money and you're going to learn from it. If you invest in good companies, that money going to come back. You just got to be old enough and hope the good Lord keep you living long enough to be able to see it change. So hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already did it. I hope all is well. Hope you guys are having a blessed, prosperous, I can't even say the darn word, good day. I'm Lando Success. I'm out.